I've been Adam Richardson. Hi guys, here we are at Helpston Level Crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe Gordon and UK Trade United. People misusing the crossing.
Well, we did the Brayford yet again at Helpston, but this time in daytime.
Is this straight?
Yeah.
It could be.
Which line?
This one.
There we go.
Right, there we go. Now the time is...
The time is 13:27.
13:27 on Wednesday the 23rd of December 2015. This is for our slightly delayed 13:24. Hang on a minute, I need to go back on again. Looking, it's just gone off. There we go. This is for our 13:24 6:40 hotel service from West Erling Plaza sidings to Welwyn Garden City Rev sidings.
This is for our slightly delayed 13:24.
But we're coming from that way, weren't it, on that line?
Plaza sidings to Welwyn Garden City Rev sidings.
What's she saying? What's she saying? Yeah.
And possibly for our 13:21 184 version train service.
No, that's expected 36.
I know.
And it's
They only got 6 minutes until it comes.
no, it's not. It's 28.
I know, but by the time it's...
So we've got 8 minutes. We'll get to Maxi for that then, won't we? I've got sun over there with your dad as he's going from that way. I didn't see that alarm on that pole sitting there like that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Hey, they just got done with the new LEDs.
Oh, did they?
You can tell they're new because when they replaced the LED lights, they put the brand new alarms in.
Oh, right.
So as long as however new those alarms are, however new the crossing is. But unfortunately, I didn't get the crossing with First time I came here was in February with Adam.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was LED then. Because Steve DD1 got it with halogen. And then he came back again not long ago to get it again, but on this side. I want to know how what these alarms sounded like back in the day. But I can't find any videos involving that alarm, all those lights.
Really? Nobody on YouTube done it?
No, apart from Steve, but he only got it like with the halogens, but he didn't get the closure, he didn't get the amber light.
No.
Plus he didn't get the alarm sound either. I suppose there've probably been a few still sounded alarms like the words Lincoln Central, St George's Road in Hull.
Yeah.
Many alarms sound like that anymore because they fix them straight away. Sometimes anyway. Can you see it yet? We just did the Brayford. We did the Brayford at Connington. What is it? Is it? Oh wow. 73 115! 73 115 at Welwyn Garden City Rev sidings and we'll be staying. Whatever for. Yes. Right, we could be staying now for our... Unless that's made up its time. That could be what we're staying for then. No, that's expected 1340. That's expected 1340. 1332. We could be stopping down for our 13:30:21 heavily delayed, or sorry, just delayed 13:21 1 Yankee 84 Virgin train service in York to Lucas Cross. And if you remember, guys, as I said in my videos that in that video I made saying I won't be free till 2016. Oh, it is. Yeah, I only got a week's worth of work done because we're finishing this next week, so I'll hopefully get more done this year. Got 15806. 15806 to Liverpool Lime Street, and up they go. Let's see what we're back before. Yeah, that was for your 13:32 1 Road 86 Eastman the train service north to Liverpool Lime Street. Thank you guys, next video.